Hello students, we have studied one nonlinear application in our previous video, that is op-amp as differentiator. Let us study one more nonlinear application, that is op-amp as integrator. ಸರಿನಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ op-amp ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದು ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. So here by definition a circuit whose output is proportional to the integral of its input voltage is known as ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ಸರಿನಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎ ಸಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸೈನಸೈಡಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಸೈನಸೈಡಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್, ಓಕೆ, ಟು ದ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ ಆಂಪ್ ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸರಿನಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟರ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟರ್ and will derive that expression here. So let us say this is Ri, okay, and we connect feedback element across inverting and output terminal. In this case, that is integrator, we have capacitor has feedback element, okay, feedback element ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, capacitor. Okay, connect this non-inverting terminal to ground. So here it is output. Here we provide that input. This is a AC signal, right? So here, due to this voltage, current flows, that is I in. Here the node, let us say A, this as B. Okay, so I in is incoming current here. So it splits or it divides when there is node according to Kirchhoff current law. So we say IF or feedback current here, it is flowing through what, capacitor. So this IF is nothing but IC, that is current through capacitor or current in the capacitor path. Then IB is what, current into op amp. ನಾವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಐ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕಂತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಕಂತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪ್ ಆಂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯರ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ is given to the base terminal of the capacitors. Therefore we use this B, okay. IB means base current or current which flows through base terminal. That's why we use this IB, okay. So this is regarding what, circuit. Okay, so here we are taking an ideal op amp, and we discuss this one as a integrator. Okay, so integrator, this is an ideal op amp as an integrator. So iga terms barkodana. Here Vi is what, Vi is input signal, okay, through capacitor, through a resistor, Ri. C is the feedback element across inverting terminal and output terminal. Okay, so non-inverting terminal is connected to ground, okay. Then which are the biasing sources, plus VCC and minus VE. plus VCC and minus VEE provide biasing. Okay, biasing ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, right? Here IN is current incoming, so input side current through RI. IF is the feedback current through capacitor C. IB is the input current into op amp. Okay, so this is regarding circuit description. So again, same thing, from ideal characteristics we know that. So what we know, open loop gain of op amp, ideal op amp is infinite. Input impedance is infinite. Due to this, current into op amp will be 0. Apply KCL at node A, means IN is the incoming current to node A. This divides as IF plus IB. Again, IB is 0, as we have already mentioned the reason. That is, IN is equal to IF. Let us say this as equation 1. Here IF is what? Is equal to IC, that is current through capacitor, is what? Charging current through capacitor means this can be written as what? IF is equal to dq by dt. Here q is what? Charge across the capacitor. Charge across the capacitor is equal to what? Product of capacitance and potential difference across the plates. This can be written as q can be written as capacitance into potential across the capacitor. So VA minus V naught. So therefore this becomes D in C into differentiation, right? So VA is what? 0. VA is 0 minus V naught. Yake VA 0 ide? Since VA is equal to 0 by virtual ground, because VA is equal to 0 by virtual ground. Okay, therefore equation 1 implies IN is what? Current through RI. So this can be defined as potential difference across RI by RI. So potential difference across RI is VI minus VA by RI is equal to IF. IF can be written as DC into minus V naught by dt. Okay, so again here VA is equal to 0. You can write this one as VI by RI is equal to minus C D into V naught by dt. Take this C and minus for LHS. So this will be VI by minus RI into C. This is equal to D, differentiation of V naught with respect to dt. Now, okay, so integrate integrate both LHS and RHS with respect to t ಅಥವಾ time. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು integration of minus vi by ri into c dt is equal to integration of differentiation of v naught by dt. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ differentiation integration cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳಿಯೋದು v naught ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So v naught, here we take this minus and 1 by ri into c constant outside minus 1 by ri into c, remaining thing integration of vi into dt, with respect to dt. Therefore v naught is equal to, so final ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, minus 1 by ri into c integration of v input voltage vi with respect to dt. So this is what output expression, right? Therefore, so if you take this constant terms, right, outside, or if you want to write it in proportionality, so v naught is proportional to what? Integration of input voltage, that is output is proportional to integral of its input voltage. Therefore this circuit works as a integrator. This circuit works as a integrator. This is how an op amp works as a integrator. Again, one note here, for the proper working or functioning, this RC value, that is time constant, must be greater than 10 times the time period of input signal, where t is what? Time period of the input signal, right? So this RC must be greater than 10 times the t, okay, for its proper functioning, right? This is regarding op amp as a integrator, right?